Achieve precise and efficient measurements with the best laser measuring tape, providing instant, accurate distance readings. Compact, user-friendly, and reliable, it ensures flawless results for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, making every project faster, easier, and more accurate. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. KKMOON Laser Measuring Tape. The KKMOON laser measuring tape is a versatile tool that combines innovation, durability, and precision, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring a high elasticity housing constructed from ABS, TPR, and coated manganese steel, this device is designed to withstand drops, dust, and everyday wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its 3-in-1 functionality integrates laser ranging, a 5-meter tape measure, and cross-marking capabilities, providing a flexible solution for a wide variety of measuring tasks. The self-locking tape measure enhances safety and convenience, preventing accidental retraction while offering precise readings. Users can store up to 20 groups of historical data for easy reference and comparison, boosting productivity during complex projects. A clear LCD backlight display ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while the dual measurement units, metric and imperial, accommodate diverse user needs. With laser ranges up to 40 or 60 meters. Number 2. MiLESEEY Laser Measuring Tape. The MiLESEEY Laser Measuring Tape is a compact and highly efficient device built for accuracy and convenience. With its 3-in-1 design, it offers laser measurement, tape measurement, and digital display measurement modes, making it adaptable for a wide range of projects, whether measuring short distances or extended areas. The digital display mode ensures that results are immediately visible, reducing human error and saving time. Advanced Bluetooth connectivity allows the DT20 version to link with the MiLESEEY app, enabling seamless data transfer for easy documentation and analysis, which is particularly useful for professional tasks. Its portable and ergonomic design ensures comfort and ease of use during prolonged measuring sessions. The laser measurement system provides precise results, while the integrated tape measure offers flexibility for manual tasks. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects, this device balances accuracy, speed, and versatility. Number 3. HOTO Laser Measuring Tape. The HOTO Laser Measuring Tape is a professional-grade device engineered for accuracy and convenience in indoor environments. It offers 5 pre-installed measurement modes, including length, angle, angular height, area, and virtual ruler functions, which make it adaptable to a wide range of tasks. The dual laser system provides rapid readings in just 0.2 seconds, minimizing delays and improving efficiency. Its single-button design ensures intuitive operation, allowing users to switch between modes quickly without confusion. With measurements ranging from 0.05 meters to 50 meters, the HOTO laser measuring tape covers both short and mid-range distances, offering high precision in every project. The device also supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing integration with the HOTO app for remote control and data management, which is particularly convenient for documentation or complex calculations. Equipped with an 850 mAh lithium battery and a 1.8-inch display, the HOTO device clearly presents measurement results, while its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. Perfect for professionals or meticulous DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. Huepar Laser Measuring Tape. The Huepar laser measuring tape stands out for its innovative green laser technology and multifunctional measurement capabilities. Available in models S50, S100, and S120, it provides accurate measurements with a precision of plus or minus 2 millimeters, supporting distance units in meters, feet, and inches. The device's green laser beam enhances visibility in bright or dim environments, making it easier to read and operate. Huepar's rangefinder supports single and continuous measurements, while also offering advanced area and volume calculation functions, streamlining complex tasks for professionals. Angle measurement is another key feature, with X/Y axis readings displayed clearly on a large LED screen. The device accommodates up to 30 stored sets of data, allowing easy reference for ongoing projects. Number 5. MiLESEEY M120 Laser Measuring Tape. The MiLESEEY M120 laser measuring tape is a compact and feature-rich device designed for precise and efficient measuring tasks. With a measurement range of up to 30 meters and an accuracy of plus or minus 3 millimeters, it provides dependable results for both professional and home use, allowing users to connect with compatible apps like JoyPlan for iOS and ImageMeter for Android, Windows, and Linux, facilitating data transfer and efficient project management. Lightweight yet robust, it is suitable for both indoor and small-scale outdoor applications. Its digital interface displays clear readings, reducing errors, while the high-quality laser ensures consistent precision across different surfaces and distances. Certified under CE and FC standards, the MiLESEEY M120 delivers both reliability and safety. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, and professionals, this laser measuring tape balances modern technology, portability, and accuracy, making it a practical choice for anyone seeking a trustworthy tool for efficient and precise measurements. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.